Keeping up with the F-gas regulations can feel like a full-time job, especially when it's not your area of expertise. For many facility managers and business leaders, just understanding what needs to be done to stay compliant can be a challenge, let alone handling all the documentation and inspections. That's where ICE steps in. Our maintenance contracts are designed to take the headache out of F-gas compliance. We handle everything from regular system checks to all the paperwork, making sure your site stays compliant without the stress. You'll have clear records to show you're meeting regulations without needing to chase down the details yourself. With ICE, compliance is no longer a burden. Instead, you'll have peace of mind knowing all your refrigeration and air conditioning systems are in safe hands and all your compliance records are up to date. If simplifying compliance sounds like the solution you need, reach out to our team. We're here to make F-gas compliance one less thing for you to worry about.